Hey everybody, it's April Hieronymus with Keller Williams Premiere Properties. Hey, today I'm sharing with you some local real estate stats for Glendale Heights as of December 15th, 2020. We're winding down the end of this crazy year and real estate has been hot. Our market here in Glendale Heights has seen significant low inventory this year. We're down about 33% overall where we were last year. So here, let's take a look. In this last week, we have a total of 6 active homes on the market. 10 closed and 2 went under contract. We had 2 new listings come on, one at 1348 Terry and another at 33 Nevada. The average sold price is about $255,000, and that's up about 5% since this time last year. It takes about 43 days to get your home sold once you do list, so that's pretty great. The townhome market, we have 8 active listings, 5 closed, and 4 went under contract. The average sale price is about $162,000, and that's up 1.8% from this time last year. It takes about 35 days for your home to go under contract once you do list. And 2 new homes came on the market, 743 Fullerton and 1172 Harbor Court. As your realtor and local expert, I'm also your neighbor. I live here in town in Glendale Heights. I'd be happy to answer any questions, concerns, anything you have about the real estate process. If you're interested in seeing what your neighborhood market looks like, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm happy to help, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.